Hello everyone, welcome back to Vikas YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to discuss techmahindra selection process. As many of you know that techmahindra started hiring 2024 batch students through on-campus and off-campus. In this video, we are going to discuss detailed selection process. There are 5 stages in the recruitment process. Totally, there are 5 rounds in the techmahindra selection process. The first round is the aptitude and English essay story. Next is the technical assessment. Third stage is communication round. Fourth stage is technical interview, and at last HR interview. The aptitude section includes 75 questions and the duration is 142 minutes. The aptitude section includes subjects like logical reasoning, aptitude, verbal English. The topics which comes under the logical reasoning are number series, blood relations, statement and conclusion, data sufficiency, cubes and dice, shape construction, pattern completion, odd man out, coding, decoding. Coming to the aptitude questions, profit and loss, ages, averages, times and work, equations, speed, time and distance, LCM and HCF related questions. Coming to the verbal ability, this is similar kind of general English like fill in the blanks, one word substitution, error detection, passage ordering, parajumble, synonyms, sentence correction, etc. And next is English essay, which includes subjects like vocabulary and grammar. The number of questions is 1 question. Coming to the technical test, there are 26 questions which includes 1 coding question and 25 technical MCQs. The technical MCQs may come from SEO, SDK, flowcharts in CS, looping, HTTPS, JavaScript and CSS, data types in C, SQL basics, OOPS concepts, storage classes and objects, etc. And followed by communication round, technical interview and HR. If you found this information helpful, please like, share and subscribe to Vikas YouTube channel.